Good morning, children. This is Shashi, and we are going to continue chapter 3. So, in chapter 3, exercise 1, we have discussed question number 1 or 2 questions already we have discussed, and such type of questions you can do on your own also, because this is only multiplication. Now, come to question number 2 and 3, that is statement questions. So, question number 2, what is given? A book has 248 pages. The 5135 copies of the book are printed. So, in one book, how many pages are there? 248 pages. And how many books are printed? 5135 books are printed. So, total how many pages will be there? Okay, so this questions we have to solve. But before that, I would like to tell you with one simple example, that suppose there will one book is there, and in one book 10 pages are there. 10 pages. Very thin book is there and 10 pages are there in one book. Now such kind of 5 book will be there. 5 books will be there. Then total how many pages will be there? In one book 10 pages, again in one book 10 pages, again 10 pages, again 10 pages, and again 10 pages. Okay, so in 5 books how many pages will be there? 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. We have to add all this. So total how many we'll get? 10 we are adding 5 times. 10 we are adding 5 times. So 5 times, that means we have to multiply 10 into 5. So how much will get? 50. Okay, so in 1 we are getting 10. So in 5 we'll get 10 into 5. Okay, so in the same way we'll do that questions also. So in your exercise question, it is given that pages in one book. So what we'll write here? We'll write here pages in one book. In one book, how many pages are given? 5. How many? 248 pages. Okay, then we'll write pages in how many books are there? 5135 books. Okay, 5 books will be equal to how much? We have to multiply. In one book these many pages. So in 5135 books, what we have to do? We will multiply 5135 and will multiply 248. Just you multiply it now. So multiplication, all of you know. So 8 5 how much will get? 40. 4 will be carried. Then 8 3 24 and 4 28. 2 will be carried. 8 1 8 and 2 10. Then 2 will be carried. 8 5 40 and 2 42. Then we'll leave 1. 4 5 20. 2 will be carried. Then 4 3 12 and 2 14. Then 1 will be carried. 4 1 4 and 1 5 and 4 5 20. Then we'll leave 2 digit. Then we'll multiply 2 5 10. Then 1 will be carried. 2 3 6 and 1 7. Then 2 1 2 and 2 5 10. Now we will add it. This will become 0 only. This will become 8. This will become 4. and 5 2 7 7 14, 4 1 will be carried, 4 2 6 and 1 7 and 2 and 1. Okay, so total in one book we are getting 248 pages. So in 5135 books, what will get 5135 into 248. So overall these many pages will get. Okay, very simple. Now come to question number 3. One box of pencil cost 28 rupees. What is the cost of 509 boxes? So cost of one pencil box is how much? 28 rupees. So 509 boxes cost will be how much? 509 into 28. In the same way we have to do. Okay, so let's do that. So question number 3. So what we'll write? We'll write cost of one box. Cost of one box is given how much? One box is given 28 rupees. So cost of how many boxes are there? 509 boxes. 509 boxes will be equal to what? Just we will multiply 509 into 28. Just multiply it. So how much will get? 8 9 how much will get? 72. 7 will be carried, 800 and 7 will come here, 8 5 40. Then we'll leave one digit. Then 2 9 this 2 and 9 will multiply, 2 9 18, 1 will be carried, 200, 1 will be written here, 2 5 10. Now you add it, 2 8 7 15, 1 1 2 4 and 1. So cost of 509 boxes will be this much, 14,250 rupees. Okay, very simple. So if you don't understand anything, just rewind it the video and once again watch it. Okay, 1 times, 2 times, 3 times you just watch it, you will able to understand. Got it? So I hope it is clear to you. And exercise 2 tomorrow will start. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.